Sorry about the wind and the noise out here, but it's windy today. Got a 2004 Ford T-Bird with the V8 in it. Nice car, it's only got 90,000 miles on it. I took a picture of the mileage. I'm a big boy, I'm not crawling back in there again. Too tight for me. Sorry about the dust on it. That is green pollen dust from our cedars around southern Missouri. Tires are in great shape on this car. Seats, everything's really nice on it. Carpet is good. Very nice shape. Body's nice and straight. Not seeing any major scratches or anything on it. It's been well taken care of since 2004. A little streaks on the dust where I grabbed hold of the door. But let's see if I can get the key in that ignition for y'all so you can see the mileage. Alright, the contortions I go through for you guys. There you go, mileage, 90,425. So, there's the dash up close. I did find where they put the key at there. Oh yeah. Nice car though, very nice car. It's got newer tires on it. If you're interested in this 2004 Ford Thunderbird, please give us a call at Mega Motorsports in West Plains, Missouri.